Hello and welcome to this Swahili lesson. Today we're going to look at how to say the things I want and I don't want in Swahili. And to get started, we have the first sentence here. I want to sunbathe. In Swahili you say, nataka kuota jua. Nataka kuota jua. Jua is sun. Nataka means I want. Na, it's me, the first person, if you remember from our previous class. The next one, I want to go water skiing. In Swahili say, nataka kwenda kuteleza kwa ski ya majini. Nataka kwenda kuteleza kwa ski ya majini. Nataka means I want. Kwenda means to go. Kuteleza is like to slide. Kwa is in. Skiing ya maji, ski ya majini is water skiing. The next one, I want to go to the park. In Swahili you say, nataka kwenda kwenye bustani. Nataka kwenda kwenye bustani. Nataka means I want, the first person. Kwenda means to go. Kwenye is to the. Bustani is park. But bustani is kind of a flower garden. The next one, I want to go to the lake. Nataka kwenda ziwani. Nataka kwenda ziwani. Nataka means I want. Kwenda means to go. Ziwani comes from the word ziwa, which means a lake. But now to say to the lake, it's ziwani. I want to ski. And to ski. In Swahili you say, nataka kuteleza kwa ubao thelujini. Nataka kuteleza kwa ubao thelujini. Nataka means I want. Kuteleza is to slide. Kwa ubao. Ubao is a wood. Thelujini comes from the word theluji, which is a nice. It's kind of I want to ice skate, something like that. The next one, I want to travel. I want to travel. In Swahili say, nataka kusafiri. Nataka kusafiri. Nataka is I want. Kusafiri is to travel. Coming from the word travel, which means safiri. Nataka kusafiri. The next one, I want to go boating. In Swahili you say, nataka kwenda kwa mashua. Nataka kwenda kwa mashua. Nataka is I want. Kwenda is to go. Boating is kwa mashua, coming from the word mashua, which is a boat. The next one, I want to play cards. In Swahili you say, nataka kucheza karata. Nataka kucheza karata. I want is nataka. To play is kucheza. Then card is karata. The next one, I don't want to go camping. Now this is the negation. I don't want to go camping. In Swahili you say, sitaki kwenda kupiga kambi. Sitaki kwenda kupiga kambi. I don't want is sitaki. Remember, I want is nataka. But now to negate nataka is sitaki. Then kwenda is to go. Camping is kupiga kambi. Kupiga kambi. Kupiga kambi is camping, coming from the word kambi, which is camp. Kupiga kambi is camping. The next one. I don't want to go sailing. I don't want to go sailing. In Swahili you say sitaki kwenda kwa tanga. Sitaki kwenda kwa tanga. Sitaki is I don't want. Kwenda is to go. Kwa tanga is sailing, coming from the word sail, tanga. Sitaki kwenda kwa tanga. The next one. I don't want to go fishing. I don't want to go fishing. In Swahili you say sitaki kwenda kuvua. Sitaki kwenda kuvua. Sitaki is I don't want. Kwenda is to go. Fishing is kuvua, or to fish. The next one. I don't want to go swimming. I don't want to go swimming. In Swahili you say sitaki kwenda kuogelea. Sitaki kwenda kuogelea. Sitaki is I don't want. Kwenda is to go. Swimming is kuogelea. Kuogelea, which comes from the word swim, which means ogelea. Well, that marks the end of our class. Thank you for being part of this. If you have another question that you want to ask, let me know. Until next time, bye bye.